Gather round, tech enthusiasts and photography aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This beauty isn't just a camera, it's a passport to capturing breathtaking images that tell 1,000 tales. First off, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. This translates to exquisitely rich details in every photo, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary visual narratives. But wait, there's more. The Rebel T7 is a tech-savvy device with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Now, you can transfer your masterpieces wirelessly and even orchestrate your shots remotely. Now, on to focusing. The Rebel T7 doesn't just focus, it hones in with a 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. This ensures sharp, clear images of subjects, whether they're still as a statue or on the move. Shaky hands, fear not. The Rebel T7 comes equipped with image stabilization. This means your photos and videos will always be smooth and blur-free. For the creatives who love to take control, the Rebel T7 offers manual exposure settings. Adjust shutter speed, aperture and ISO to your heart's content and create magic in any light. Speaking of light, the Rebel T7 also offers a variety of metering modes. This allows you to adjust your exposure to the minutest detail, ensuring your shots are always perfectly lit. And of course, there's the optical viewfinder with 95% viewing coverage. This nifty tool ensures you won't miss a single detail while framing your shots. But wait, there's a cherry on top. The Rebel T7 can double up as a high-quality webcam. Ideal for video conferences, streaming, or even vlogging, this camera is ready to upgrade your online presence. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a powerhouse of features designed to elevate your photography to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding enthusiast, this camera offers a bounty of tools to help you capture the perfect shot. Ready to make the leap? Check out the link in the description for more details and the current pricing. And remember, if you found this video helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe for more technology and photography goodness.